Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use Capcut video editor for YouTube shorts. For this, first open Capcut app, then after opening it, then what you have to do, select new project, then now select the shorts from here, your device. Then tap on add. Then after tap on add, mute this clip, then tap on audio and select audio clip from it. You can record it also. Then now select effects. You can add any effects from here. You can add video effects, body effects, and then also you can if you want to add any captions, use it. You can use any filters from here. So after it just after you satisfy of everything, then tap on export, then and it will be downloaded to your device, and then that's how you can make YouTube shorts with CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.